In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Excel data into Tradingview. If you are managing a lot of markets, importing a watch list straight from a file is a fast, reliable way to get set up. We'll keep this simple first. You'll prepare a small file with your symbols, and then you'll upload it to Tradingview to instantly populate a new or existing watch list. Start by preparing your file. You can do this in Excel or any text editor. The key is the format one symbol per line, with no extra characters and no header row. If a symbol can exist on multiple exchanges, include the exchange prefix so Tradingview knows exactly what you mean. For example, use NASDAQ, APAPL for Apple or Binance, BTC for Bitcoin tethered to USD on Binance. Keep each symbol on its own line, like a simple list. If you are using Excel, place each symbol in its own cell in a single column, then save as a .csv file. If you prefer a text editor, save it as a .txt file. Either .csv or .txt will work. Before saving, take a moment to remove any blank rows, stray spaces, or duplicate entries. Clean formatting helps Tradingview import the list without surprises. Now head to Tradingview. Open the platform and look to the right-hand side for the watchlist panel. If it's hidden, click the watchlist icon to reveal it. At the very top of that panel, click your watchlist name to open its menu. From there, choose Import List. This is where you point Tradingview to the file you just created. Select your .csv or .txt file, confirm, and Tradingview will load the symbols, instantly populating your watch list. If you are adding to an existing list, you'll see them appear right alongside your current symbols. If you are starting fresh, you'll quickly have a complete watch list ready to use. A quick note for some users: importing a list may require a premium plan. If you don't see the Import List option in the watchlist menu, that plan requirement is the most likely reason. Check your plan status and features to confirm. If your symbols don't appear as expected, go back to your file and double-check the formatting. Make sure each symbol is on its own line. Then try the import again. And that's it. Prepare a clean .csv or .txt file with one symbol per line. Import it from the watchlist menu, and your Tradingview workspace is ready to go.